If you want the best wireless printers to kick off 2021, then we can help. All the brilliant wireless printers on this video come with either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and often both, which makes them incredibly flexible devices that are easy to install in any home or modern office. Because they don't need to be connected to a PC or router with wires, you can place them pretty much anywhere, as long as there's a power socket and decent Wi-Fi connection. So we've put together a list of the best wireless printers money can buy, alongside our very own price comparison tool, so you're also getting the best available price. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best wireless printers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic features and prices of best wireless printers. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best wireless printers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Canon Pixma TR8550 Wireless Printer. Canon's compact small-in-one hides a wealth of features from a fax to a 20-sheet automatic document feeder. It's exceptionally well connected to with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built-in, so that you can quickly connect a mobile device and print or scan using the excellent companion app. Printing and scanning via the cloud has never been so simple, and photos look satisfyingly vivid with Canon's 5-cartridge system. Printers for the home office have been getting progressively smaller, and the Canon Pixma TR8550 is a prime example. With all of the flaps and extending trays folded away, it's a little bigger than Canon's family-oriented photo printers, and yet it incorporates a 100-sheet main paper tray, a 20-sheet rear paper tray for photo paper and envelopes, and a 20-sheet automatic document feeder ADF on top. It looks smart and sophisticated, with the extra large touchscreen taking up most of the front panel, and you probably wouldn't begrudge this unobtrusive printer sharing your desk. Check product link and price below description. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Number 2. Brother MFC J5330DW Wireless Printer. With all the functionality a small business could need, this feature-packed inkjet can do anything from sending a fax to saving a scan to the cloud. Most surprisingly, given its A4 size footprint, is its ability to print on A3 paper. Wi-Fi is built in, and Brother's companion iOS or Android app makes wireless printing a breeze. It prints clearly in monochrome, while color photos look quite vibrant on photo paper. The touchscreen is rather small, and it's not as fast as a laser printer, but it strikes a good balance between performance and features. The J5330DW is an inkjet printer which retails at 190.80 pounds, around $250 US and $325 Australian dollars. And its 4 cartridges are loaded via a front flap. The top half of the printer opens in order to see the printer heads, and also plug in the Ethernet and USB cables. Brother has put these ports on the inside with the wires leading out through the back, presumably to stop people accidentally unplugging the cables. As mentioned, there's a 50-page ADF on the top of the machine for lining up scanning or copying jobs, and a single document feed tray at the rear for envelopes, headed paper, and the like. Check product link and price below description. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Number 3. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227fdw wireless printer. If you have the space for it, this multi-function device will serve a small business well thanks to its consistently crisp print quality, useful 35-sheet automatic document feeder, and automated photocopying skills with both Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity built in. It makes mobile printing via the excellent HP mobile app especially easy. This is a mono machine and it's not the fastest laser on the block, but it's quicker than any inkjet and offers an attractive blend of features and performances. With a large paper drawer capable of holding 250 sheets of plain A4 paper, a scanner bed, and a top-loading automatic document feeder (ADF). This MFP stands tall on a desk, but its footprint is considerably less than that of the enormous Xerox VersaLink C405. It also feels well made, meaning that its various flaps and trays are unlikely to snap off anytime soon. Printed pages are deposited in the central tray, and connections, which include the ubiquitous square USB port and an Ethernet port, are at the rear. Thoughtfully, there's a USB port at the front for printing from a USB thumb drive or saving a scan onto one. The fixed display is a touchscreen, which makes it far easier to use than the mono LCD panels found on your average printer. Check product link and price below description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Number 4. Oki C844dnw wireless printer. Despite being the world's smallest A3 laser printer, this groundbreaking device is loaded with features including Wi-Fi and NFC wireless connectivity. It's small enough to sit on a desk and yet big enough to hold 300 sheets of A3 paper in its main paper tray. It can even accept rolls of banner paper 1.3 meters long via a rear input slot. As you might expect from a laser printer with LED technology, it's fast and economical to run. If a little expensive to buy, with such consistently high print quality, however, that price is fully justified. The C844dnw is not much wider than the average A4 printer, but it is longer with a depth of over 55 centimeters, and it weighs a table-straining 40 kg. The surprising weight says a lot about how much is crammed inside. The whole front section hinges open ingeniously to reveal the 4 large pre-installed toner cartridges. They're enough to print 2,500 pages, which is quite generous. They can be replaced by cartridges offering a yield of up to 10,000 pages. Check product link and price below description. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Number 5. Epson WorkForce WF-7210DTW Wireless Printer. Duplex A3 printing is not something many affordable inkjet printers can manage. But this capable device does it well, and it can hold a whole ream of paper in its dual paper trays. It also boasts Wi-Fi Direct and NFC connectivity for making a quick wireless connection and printing via your smartphone. It's a pity the supplied Epson DuraBrite startup ink cartridges are rather limiting, but when you switch to XL capacity replacements, it becomes more economical to run. It certainly has a high capacity for paper with room for a whole ream on board. This is an A3 printer, so as expected, it arrived in a big box and the printer is massive. You will need significant desk space to accommodate the WF-7210DTW and enough clearance above, as it is more than 300 mm high at 567 x 424 mm. Its footprint exceeds that of an A2 sheet. Check product link and price below description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.